I'm here in Arjun Kapoor's hotel room yet again.
Yet again.
This is the third time. And this time...
Third time lucky.
And today, he's answering 21 of your Twitter questions, and you're going to do this really quickly.
So why did you guys choose the number 21?
Because it's like, you play 21 questions. So then...
Really, I've probably taken up games.
It's like, it's that kind of spin-off, and it sounds cool. Okay, first question. How excited are you to host IIFA?
How excited am I? As you can tell, my energy is all over the place. I've sort of imbibed the energy of my co-host, co-star, co-friend, co-brother, and
what did you call him? Like a human charger?
He's the human charger, yes. He can really instantly get you at 100%. The moment he sees you, like, you know Ranveer Singh is in the house. It's like
electricity.
Zzz, like he meets you and then something passes from him to you. He's like, in those 70s you had those dance halls where you pass the energy. So he's like one of those, he meets you and you know the energies come with him.
That's amazing. So that's perfect. How many pairs of shoes have you carried for IIFA?
Too many, I think, primarily because you don't know when you might need an extra pair.
What's your favorite dance movie? Can you show us?
Can I show you? Anything that involves more face than body.
More face? Okay, then
As
do
in
it.
just
More face.
The idea is it's perceptive dance. It's like, in perception you're like really going all over the place, but actually if you pan down there's nothing else.
There's nothing else happening. Okay, what celebrity do you want to sit next to at the IIFA? I mean, you'll be on stage most of the time.
Yeah.
If you were to sit next to someone, who would it be?
I'll sit next to Anushka. She's damn entertaining. She's very entertaining.
Really funny.
Yeah, she's really funny. She's real and she's sweet and she'll just have some off-timing lines which are really hilarious to hang out with her. You just see different zone of entertainment. She's not filmy like how we are.
Yeah.
She's off.
She's like a boy. She's like tomboy basically.
It's just there's something very nice about hanging with her. Like you can have inane, mundane conversation and still find it absolutely thoroughly entertaining. So she would be my best choice to sit with.
And Hannah wants to know, hi from New Zealand, what's your favorite animal?
Hi Hannah from New Zealand. My favorite animal? Well, these days is this.
The official animal of Malaysia.
Since we are in Kuala Lumpur for IIFA. So, hi Hannah, how are you? Namaskar Hannah, कैसे हैं आप? मेरे हाथ थोड़े आड़ते हैं.
Do you match your pocket squares yourself, and do they always sort of go with your outfit, or do you just put...
Ask this question.
This is Shilpa 86. No, it's not me.
Shilpa, why do you want to know about my pocket square matching sensibilities? I mean, really. No, I really have implicit faith in the people that style me, predominantly that being Natasha, who does style me a lot, especially for these big events because she really gets comfort and style as a combination. Of course, there's Ria, my sister, who also styles me. So I rely more on their impulse because I think visually women just add a certain aesthetic value to even a man's outfit.
Alright. If you could invent some kind of clothing, what would it be?
They actually did, yeah, like jog jeans are quite amazing.
Jog jeans?
Like they're track pants that look like jeans, so they're very deceptive, but it's really cool to have jeans.
They're not cool.
Yeah, but if you're lounging around the house and you just wear a t-shirt and run out for a meeting,
That's true.
Going in a track pant looks too casual. Going in jeans is for me like, yeah. So I'm like, okay, those are perfect.
Middle ground.
But if I had to invent something, yeah, actually it's pretty much sorted. Yeah.
Okay, what was the last...
Is there something called formal shorts? Can we have like formal...
Formal shorts, yeah.
Formal shorts.
Yeah, you could, if they were, yeah.
Like that you can wear on the red carpet maybe once.
You could. I think people have done that actually. I'm pretty sure they've done
Yeah, but not in like these are shorts we are styling together. In like they actually, like how pants are crisp, even shorts should come across as crisp. I don't know if we can crack that.
Okay, we'll make a request.
Food
Somebody from the design fraternity in India.
Yes.
Okay, what was the last...
Stop monkeying around.
What was the last picture you took on your phone?
Ooh. I'll be watching you, MissMalini. I'll be watching you back.
Alright, what's the one question you hate answering? And you don't have to answer.
आपको अपने कोर्स से कोई tips मिले या अनिल चाचू ने आपको कोई acting की tips दिए because the word tips just frustrates me. What is आपको fitness के tips आप देना चाहिए. I don't want to give tips to anybody. I want to have a conversation with people. I want to talk to them. Tips is definitely not my cup of tea.
What's the first thing you notice about people when you meet them?
What's the first thing? Honestly, you really want me to be honest?
Yes.
I have this thing, I always end up noticing people's teeth.
Really?
Yeah. I know it's supposed to be like shoes is the impulse for most people.
Yeah.
That's inevitable. But
Yeah.
I have this thing about teeth.
I have crooked teeth.
No, it's not about the crookedness of it. It's just the general hygiene levels of it. It's just a strange thing.
Oh. So you just go up to people really close. Okay,
I
what's...
mean, then or I don't if I don't like it.
Okay, Swati09 says, what's the secret behind your cute romantic looks?
I can say, I guess it is um, something to do with the characters that I play that makes you feel a bit more like that about me. Actually,
Yeah.
my eyes are quite deadpan normally otherwise.
Alright. And this one, Vidisha wants to know, do you and Ranveer have any pranks planned on people tomorrow? Don't worry, this is going to go up later, so you can tell us.
Pranks, we have lots of stuff planned. The trick is to not ruin that by telling people, and also if we're going to be spontaneous about who we see in the moment and also react. So you guys will find out soon. We do have lots of things planned. Honestly, we've packed in a very, very, very entertaining show, and fingers crossed you guys will be entertained.
Okay, what was the first thing you thought of when you woke up this morning?
Why do I need to get out of bed? Because I slept at 5 in the morning. I was rehearsing till 5. I got home and I had to wake up immediately at about 11 and start working again. So I was like, one more hour. One more hour. That was
Are you
my
a snoozer? Do you like to snooze?
No alarm in this world can wake me up. There was turbulence on flight and I slept through it all. So nothing, earthquakes don't wake me up. It's just very strange. I'm a very, very deep sleeper. Like I need to be physically...
Assaulted?
Yeah.
I would like fall over.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a favorite joke and will you tell us? Can I tell you one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, knock knock.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, who?
Who do you think you are? Shammi Kapoor? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Anyway.
I feel like giving my critical
Okay,
analysis.
give me your critical analysis. It's not, I didn't make this joke.
आपके jokes में दम है लेकिन सुनने वाले बहुत कम हैं.
Oh, so mean. Okay, if you had to give yourself an award, which doesn't have to be a movie award, but it could be Mr. Congeniality, Mr. Funny Man, what would you give yourself?
Mr. Sarcasm.
Alright. And have you ever stolen anything from set or wanted to?
Lots of times I wanted to, but I don't steal. I take it like memorabilia. So if it's available to take, out of every film I try, like from Ishaqzada I took the P. I was wearing a P which was for Parma. I took that. From Aurangzeb I loved the suit, so I just kept that one suit which was a while back. So I pick up like one or two things from Finding Fanny because Anaita just styled me so well and I was so comfortable. I kept the jeans and the overshirt. I just kept those and kept using it, and nobody even realized I've used the same jeans throughout promotions that I was wearing in the film.
Now you know. Okay, and last question, who's the last person you texted?
Who's the last person I texted? My sister. She's gone to have lunch. She's with me here in Malaysia. She's gone to have lunch with a very dear friend of ours called Shaila, who's also a fantastic stylist. She's here with Jacqueline. So they both have gone for lunch while they're busy shopping and I'm working.
You're working.
If you like this video, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Stop staring at me. Go subscribe.